welcome to Backcountry Mischief. This is the first episode. I'm just starting a fire here in the garage. It's a little chilly here in Manitoba. So I'm going to start with some kindling. Get it nice and small. Smaller the better. Just tiny little sticks. So, start with some real small stuff, and I like to use dryer lint. Just gotta fluff it up a little bit. Get the little sticks in there. I like to go in a TP motion, get the airflow going nice. And then light her up. Yeah, it's pretty cold here today. I think she's around minus 20. I was going to go outside and do some milling on the sawmill, but I'm going to wait for a warmer day. So there, she's getting there now. There's some oak. Nope, not oak. Here's some oak. Ah, yeah. Just keep adding little sticks like this, and then she'll get going real nice for you. Oh yeah. Put that one on there. Some of these bigger sticks. There, she's going. Let's get you over here. See, just like that. Dryer lint. Going in about a minute. Well, while the fire is warming up, I'll show you what I got in the garage right now in my mess. This is a 72 Charger. My dog ate my seat off of it last year. Other than that, she's pretty minty. Just need a carb clean in that and figure out an air box for it, because she's just raw dogging that air right now. And again, my dog ate the seat off of this one too. This is a 98 500 with a 440 fan in it. I can't remember what this needs. I think I need to do something with the clutch. The secondary's not lined up on it for some reason. And probably carb clean, blow the gas tank out. But the kids have been bugging me for a couple weeks now. The snows have been on the ground and they're itching to go. There she is. So one of the first main projects for me around here is I haven't really done anything for about 3 years for any kind of maintenance or cleanliness. So as you see, she is in need of some love. So it's I gotta get this cleaned up, and then a little bit of milling. I got an old 78 GMC that I want to make a daily driver. There we go. She's fired up now. Warming up my fingers. This is just an old barrel stove. She sure pumps out the heat though. I got a heat exchanger to go on top of this. I gotta get on there and run some better pipe. Then she'll be cooking in here. Oh, that fan does not sound healthy. You gonna blow up? Huh? You gonna blow up? Come on. You can do it. Oh, she's picking up a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. 1970s. Can't go wrong. Got her a little too close to the fire. Kind of melted her down. Nope. Oop, she does not like low speed. Does not like low speed. There we go. Ooh, she's snowing outside. Hey, Bandit. Luna. Over my logs here. Yeah, she's a little chilly outside today. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, that was in the nuts. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. Okay, so it's the next day, and I'm gonna get outside and do some milling. I got an HM130 Woodland sawmill. I can do up to a 30 diameter tree on it. A few years ago, I cut up a bunch of 8x8 oak timbers for some jobs we were doing, putting them in for beams for covered porches and open gables and stuff like that. And I got a bunch still kicking around, so I'm going to cut it out of that. He wants 3/4 inch board for his shop, for the top of his shop bench. So I think he wants about 80 board feet. So we're going to cut up 100 And yeah, I'm gonna go outside and get at her. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, and comment down below.